Hey guys, are you going bananas because you can't open your trunk on your convertible, guys? Well, I'm not going to show you how to fix it, but I am going to show you how to open it when you absolutely can't open it no matter what. No matter what you do, it will not open. I'll show you a way around that. I'll show you how to open it in this video. Okay, let's get started right away. Okay guys, so on the convertibles, there is a little sensor right there, and that sensor basically tells the trunk if this is opened or closed, right? So that way, if this is open, you can't open your trunk, right? So because you don't want your trunk to interfere with your roof going up and down. So that's the idea there, right? But what happens sometimes is, you know, one of the systems ends up breaking, either the sensor or maybe back there, whatever keeps it from opening, right, ends up getting stuck or something. So in this case, that's what happened on this car. So I will show you what to do to basically go around that so you can open your trunk if you're completely stuck and you can't open it. Okay, the first thing you got to do is take off your license plate, guys. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, so it's already been done on this car, so this is going to make it really easy for you guys. Okay, so in here, as you can see, there is a rod. So if you grab this rod with some needle-nose pliers like this, watch this, guys. Boom, the trunk is open, guys. So I'm just quickly going to show you two things in this video. I'll quickly show you where to put the hole exactly with the measuring tape, and then I'll show you how to not fix it, but make it so it doesn't lock on you again. Okay, so right at the back here, I mean, if you went 2 inches down, see, and then like from the middle of the keyhole, right, 2 inches down, and then you went 1 inch over and you drilled a hole right here, just big enough to get these in, right? You could get it in and open up your trunk, guys. Okay, so we're gonna open the trunk. So that's what you're gonna have to do, unfortunately, if you're completely screwed and you can't open it. So then once you're in here, right, you're gonna go up here, see, and like this is the locking mechanism right here. I just disconnected it, see? So this was in there, like so. See, and the way that works, see, this would move this aside. So now when you're pressing your button, right, it doesn't do anything. So if you disconnect this, that will fix it. But you know, you won't be able to lock it, I guess. I guess you still would be able to lock it with the key, right? And then you go like this, see, and so that's all you really got to do. And the second thing you can do, guys, is right here, there's these two brown little wires. So these wires go to this sensor. So if you actually just cut these wires, obviously you're going to wrap these two up with electrical tape. These ones don't matter, they just go to that switch. So if you cut them, that will prevent it from locking it when this thing's opened, which is another option, guys. So there you go, guys. Super short little video. Hopefully it helped you out, guys. I'm doing a whole series on this car. I just bought it for 1,300 bucks. I just did an episode where I closed the roof because it was a permanent convertible. The windows don't work. The motor doesn't run good. Sounds like an old tractor. The automatic tranny slips like crazy. So I actually got a parts car, guys. That's a manual one. I'm doing a manual swap. Very detailed videos on everything, guys. And it only cost me 500 bucks for the parts car. You can never get a tranny for that. Subscribe, like. Thanks for watching Problem Solver Garage. Make sure you check out the whole series. Every episode in a row, it will be in the playlist. Thanks a lot, guys. Season 2, by the way. Season 1 is a Corvette C3. Bye, guys.
I love Problem Solver Garage.